Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to set allow calls when riding mode is on in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart services. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart services, okay, you can see the riding mode. So okay guys, you only have to do is select riding mode. And okay guys, here in riding mode, okay, you can see the riding mode is on. And okay guys, you only have to do is go to do not disturb riding. Okay, click this. And okay guys, sir, and do not disturb riding, okay? In incoming calls, okay, you can see the allow calls from. Okay, you all have to do is select or click the allow calls from to set the calls or allow calls when riding mode is on in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, the pop-up will show, and okay, you can see the option here, and okay, you can set into everyone or none, contacts only, and favorite contacts only. And okay guys, I decide to set into anyone. And okay guys, here you can see the allow calls from anyone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.